There are no shortcuts to excellence. Your reputation depends on quality, speed, and consistency. At Cumberland Supply, we are your trusted ally, providing top-quality building materials fast to ensure your success. In the world of construction, time is your most valuable asset. That's why Cumberland Supply is committed to delivering not just materials, but a promise of efficiency, reliability, and a seamless experience from order to completion, enabling you to adapt quickly to the ever-changing weather conditions that can make or break a project timeline. To make your process even more simple and efficient, Cumberland Supply has one of the largest selections of building materials in your area, giving you a one-stop shop for your project's needs. Excellence doesn't compromise on quality, and we know you don't have time for callbacks and warranty claims. At Cumberland Supply, we provide you with reliable quality in all your building materials. If your project requires metal roofing or siding, Cumberland Supply offers the best you can get in a variety of gauges, colors, and finishes to best fit your project, as well as a 40-year warranty on the finish, giving you the peace of mind you need to build with confidence. In addition to top-of-the-line quality, our experienced team provides amazing service. All of our panels are cut to custom lengths, saving you time and money. If plans change or you need more panels in a pinch, Cumberland Supply is equipped to pivot with you and provide custom length panels fast, allowing you to adapt to whatever challenges come your way. Ready to get your project done? Step 1. Call or email your order. Contact us to speak with one of our experienced team members and order the right materials for the job. Step 2. Schedule for pickup or delivery. Let us know when and where you need the order delivered, or we can stage it for pickup. Step 3. Job completed. Once you get your order, you're ready to complete the job with materials you can trust. If you need anything from us along the way, Cumberland Supply is here to help until the job is done. With us, you're not just getting materials, you're gaining a partner dedicated to achieving excellence and furthering your success. Cumberland Supply, helping you build.